Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today I'm reviewing a massive set, 660 piece heat shrink butt connector terminals. Now you can use these for all kinds of different things. I'm going to use them for a wide variety of different things, like with my car build, connecting wires, and also my computer builds. Oh wow, these are nice. Yeah, these are really nice. So basically what you do is you take a heat gun and first put the wires through and then crimp it down, and then you take the heat gun and it heats this up and it melts it down so then it's tight. It's just a better way of doing it than being redneck and simply wiring two wires together with electrical tape. That's kind of the redneck way of doing things, but these make it a lot more professional. And this is a really nice kit. You got a lot of sizes here, like here's 12 to 10 AWG, and you got, now are these all 12 to 10? 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, some are mixed in here. Then you got 16, 14, 16, 14. Looks like these are all 16, 14. So let's see. We got 22, 18, 16, 14, 12, and 10. It's just a really nice kit. Links in my video description if you guys are interested. Thank you.